Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Have received a lot of information, messages, requests as far as Chinese seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app that support inspection and the one that was not support inspection, how you can identify them and how you can spot a legit supplier on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using Xianyu for a very long time or you are new to the app, consider to stay tuned to this video because I'm going to explain everything you need to know about seller that support inspection center and what are the things you are likely to get, what are the costs involved, and the security backing up Xianyu seller inspection center, and the seller that are not in support of inspection center and how you can require for the inspection center, because this is one of the security that back up the second-hand goods that you purchase from any seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, Alibaba, AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Like I said, most of the sellers that are in support of inspection center, they always indicate it on their sales page, while some of them that was not in support will not indicate. Now, I'm going to use a random product right here. Take a look at this iPhone 16 right here. Let's open up the phone link. Now, when you open up the link, so if you look at this particular seller right here, it was not indicate on their sales page. Or in some cases, if a seller was not indicate an inspection center before they post an item, it means that some of them, they have already do the inspection. And when they do the inspection to confirm the legit and authenticity of the phone or whatever type of gadget you want to buy, they are going to include it into the phone in the sales page. Like for instance, if we scroll down right here, take a look at this particular store right here. And this is the report from the inspection center right here. Take a look at it right here. Okay, iPhone 16, and the details about the phone is being analyzed right here. And take a look at the report right here. Once you see all this green, it means that it is in a good condition. You can as well download the report right here. Once you download the report, go ahead and use the translation, Google Translate, upload the report to translate and read all the meaning to this English, to this Chinese character right here. You can see basic information, normal. Motherboard condition, normal. Battery condition, normal. Screen condition, normal. Front camera, normal. Rear camera, normal. Then Face ID, normal. Everything is normal. And the aggregate percent of the battery life is 92%. Device is hard drive, which is 128 gig, which is about 77%, just like so. And then you can see details about the IMEI number, the product type, which is iPhone, model name, and everything. Sales area where the phone is coming from is China. And then you can see activation status and all that. Okay. Now, this is a report, a legit report from Xianyu Inspection Center. The production date and warranty period is unknown. The origin is on, so just like so. Then let's go back to Xianyu right here. And the report statement here is about to slide this way and get another one right here. I'm going to download this also. And then let's go back to our Google Translate right here. And I'm going to upload. After a translation, then I'm going to zoom right here. You can see everything is normal about this particular phone right here. Okay? Everything about the phone is full normal. So if you have something like this, the only thing you can discuss with the seller is the price. everything about the phone is 100% good. And this is the fact that this particular seller here, they are in support of inspection center and they have carried it out using their money, okay, for the inspection of the phone before they post it online for sales. So if you patronize this type of seller, you are 100% sure of getting something legit. Now, for you to contact the seller, simply click on here and then you can start chat with them right here, just like so. Now, let's quickly take a look at other sellers that are not in support of inspection center. So I'm going to simply go back to the page right here. So randomly, I will simply check on, let's take, I'm going to take a look at another store right here. Okay, let's take a look at this particular store right here. Okay, this particular seller also, we can scroll down and check on the detail. So this seller here, they were not in support of inspection center. So if you have something like this, that does not mean they are not genuine, but you have to be extra careful in dealing with this type of supplier. Okay, and then you can as well require for inspection center, but that may cost you extra charges if the seller are in support or agree with your requirement. So take a look at the phone condition. You can see the phone has a screen issue. So since you know the condition of the phone in this regard, it is not even necessary for you to go through inspection center because inspection center requires some cost, just like so. So you know the condition of the phone like this, just go ahead and click on here and chat up with the seller. This seller here, they were legit because they are in level 7 seller. If you take a look at their page right here, you see they are in level 7 seller. And this is another thing you need to take into consideration on Xianyu. However, there are some sellers that put in the inspection center attached to their sales page on Xianyu, and then they will only want you, the buyer, to pay for the inspection service. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So let's simply go back right here and come to my inbox right here. I have one as an example. This particular store right here, this mark right here, let me play the video of the phone right here. I require for this particular all right, so from this seller right here, I asked for the product video. However, despite the fact that the product look clean on the video right here, this seller here also include inspection center before they deliver the phone to me. Now, if you have a seller that are in this category, how can you identify them and what exactly you need to do? If you click on checkout right here to proceed to place order, then you are going to see the inspection center logo right here. All you have to do is to make sure this is checked. And once it's checked, the price is going to be added to the amount you are paying for the phone. If you take a look at the amount for the phone right here and take a look at the total price I'm paying right here, which simply means that this seller here are in support of inspection center. I want you to pay for it. Unlike the other 4 seller I checked, they have already done that. They don't require me to pay. So if you procure from that first of the seller, you are very much safe and you don't pay extra fee for inspection. But this type of seller, you will be the one that will pay for this inspection service. So when you get to the checkout, make sure you did not uncheck this and pay all together. Once you make payment, this phone here will be sent from here to the inspection center. And the report that you get from this particular inspection center will be sent to you, the buyer, direct. Unlike when it was sent to the seller before they upload the product video and the photo on the Xianyu. So this one here is will be sent to you direct. After you confirm, then the seller will now ship the product to you and you are safe. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can spot a genuine seller and legit seller, and how you can see if a seller are in support of inspection center and how you can make use of them. The first one are in support. The first seller I opened the link are in support of inspection center, but they have already do it and they have already paid for the inspection center. That is why it shows the report on their pay. But this one here, I was given a video, but the inspection has not been carried out. I have to pay for it. And if I'm satisfied with the inspection result, I will go ahead and pay for the phone. But if I'm not satisfied with the inspection result, I can easily refund my money back on Xianyu successfully. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as Xianyu and legitimate supplier inspection center is concerned. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use Xianyu Chinese shopping app safely, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.